Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the channel where we explore the power of nature to keep you and your loved ones healthy. And today we've got a topic that hits close to home for many parents out there: home remedy for baby cough. It's 2 a.m. and your poor baby is coughing up a storm, unable to sleep from the irritation and discomfort. As a parent, it breaks your heart to see your little one distraught and not know how to make them feel better. Before heading to the ER or dishing out money on yet another medication, try these natural cough remedies you can make right in your kitchen to help calm your baby's cough so everyone can rest easy. We'll start with a classic, warm honey lemon syrup. Combine the fresh squeezed juice from 3 lemons and 3 tablespoons of raw, unpasteurized honey over low heat until blended. The antioxidant vitamin C works to loosen mucus so your baby can expel it, while the thick viscous honey creates a protective coating on the throat for relief. Serve half-teaspoon doses as needed to soothe coughing fits. The sweet and sour medley works like a charm to relax coughs so baby can snooze peacefully. Ginger is a magical root when it comes to taming coughs and colds. It contains potent antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties to tackle infections and relax respiratory channels. Grate fresh ginger and steep in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir in a dollop of honey, then feed your baby spoonfuls of this natural elixir to eradicate cough triggers and phlegm stuck in their chest. The soothing liquid will calm those coughs in their tracks so baby can finally lie down in comfort. You can also mix up a homemade vapor rub with coconut oil and eucalyptus essential oil to open up stuffy airways. Eucalyptus contains an active ingredient called cineol that works as a natural expectorant and decongestant. Mix 3 to 4 drops of eucalyptus oil with 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil. Rub onto your baby's chest before bedtime, then cover the area with a small towel or cloth to help them breathe easy overnight. The soothing scent will permeate the airways without being too harsh or overwhelming. I hope these homegrown remedies bring your baby sweet cough relief tonight using simple ingredients you likely already have at home. No more sleepless nights or trips to the doctor. Let me know in the comments what worked best to get your little one feeling comfy and cozy again.